how to upload videos on Reddit with sound. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Reddit and make sure you are logged in. Now, tap on the Create button you see on top of your screen and now go ahead and select the image and video option from the menu bar. You will then be required to enter a title for your video. Further, tap on the drag and drop or upload media option and select the video that you want to post. Wait for the upload to complete, and once uploaded, make sure the mute button is not selected for the video to be posted with sound. Also, make sure the video that you are uploading has sound in it and is not muted, and also make any further edits if required. Finally, tap on the post button, and with this, the video will be posted with sound. So, this is how you can upload videos on Reddit with sound. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.